A long time ago, God's people, the Israelites, were looking for a new land to call home. They had their eye on a city called Jericho. So their leader, Joshua, sent out a couple of spy guys. It was their job to see what the city was like, to see what kind of army the people in Jericho had, and to figure out the best way to take over the city. The spies snuck into the city, wearing clever disguises. They saw people doing strange things. There were a lot of interesting people in Jericho. After a day of spying, the spies found a safe place they could rest at the home of a woman named Rahab. But before long, soldiers came knocking on the door. They tracked down where the spies were hiding. But Rahab had a plan.
Hurry! Climb up on the roof. You can hide there.
So the spies scrambled up the stairs to Rahab's roof and hid under piles of flags. The soldiers looked high and low, but they couldn't find the spies anywhere. So they left.
See ya!
That's when Rahab told the spies,
We've heard about this God you serve. He made a dry path through the sea. He's helped you destroy your enemies. We know that your God is real. No wonder our hearts have melted in fear. We're afraid of you guys. Your God is amazing.
to return Rahab's kindness and faith, the spies agreed to help Rahab and her family.
When we come to take over Jericho, put this in your window. No, that's out of batteries. What about this red rope? Oh, okay. Hang this in your window. Then you'll be safe.
So the spies went back home, and Rahab kept her rope handy, waiting for the time the Israelites would return. Because Rahab knew that God is real.
Once there was a guy named Joshua. That's him waving at you. He was the leader of a huge group of people called the Israelites. They were God's special people. Don't they look special?
Aww.
God told Joshua to lead his people and take over a big city called Jericho. It would be their new home. How could they capture a huge city like Jericho? The whole city was surrounded by huge, thick walls. And super-duper tall walls. But Joshua remembered that God is strong. God would help them knock down the walls to get inside Jericho. God wanted the priests to blow their trumpets. Really loud. The rest of the Israelites would march around the city. But they couldn't make a peep. So they marched and marched and marched. They were wiped out. They marched once around the city for 6 days. On the 7th day, they marched around the city 7 times. Then they stopped and dumped all the rocks out of their sandals. Whoa! The walls crashed down, and the Israelites rushed in and captured the city. That day, everyone knew without a doubt, God is strong.
The Bible book of Psalms was written by a shepherd boy named David. David loved God and wrote a bunch of songs to tell how awesome God is. Psalm 100 has lots of ways we can show that God is awesome. So listen up. Shout with joy to the Lord, O earth. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him, singing with joy. Acknowledge that the Lord is God. He made us, and we are his. We are his people, the sheep of his pasture. Enter his gates with thanksgiving. Go into his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and bless his name. For the Lord is good. His unfailing love continues forever. And his faithfulness continues to each generation.
Everybody's going on a wild ride. You got word.
Saddle